That doesn't leave Kevin Wasserman. He's going to take off. He's going to be right behind him. Looks like that 5 car of Keith Heaslet trying to stay in the front. I'm sorry, that's the 5V of Garrett Vannoster. And there goes Sean Brownlee chasing him down. He's in 4th position. He's trying to get some money back on that dent repair he did. Coming a little wide on turn 2. He falls back a little bit. That's going to put Keith Heaslet right on his tail. Here they come around the front side again. That's Grant Reeves, Kevin Wasserman. That 5V of Garrett Vannoster staying pretty strong tonight as well. Sean Brownlee trying to get paced back up there. He's still in 4th. Here's the 42 car. This is some early lap traffic, but here it is. Early lap traffic, Josh. Here we go. They're going to come around the 42 to the backside. Grant's going to hold that lead. Wasserman right behind. And that's going to leave Garrett following up. Sean Brownlee back there. Keith Heaslet coming a little on the high side and spins it out, slows him down. He just slowed down Dewayne Davis in the D3 car. Here they come back around. It's getting a little messy in the back of the field there. Here comes Grant Reeves in the 10G, Kevin Wasserman in the 22K, and that Garrett Vannoster in the 5V. Sean Brownlee trying to make some tracks here. 98 car coming forward from the back. Matt Bales moving his position up. He's trying to get up there as well. That 100 car is right behind Dewayne Davis. The 2 car as well, that 2 car of Houston Garrison. And there they go. Here we come on some more lap traffic. 10G makes a second round around that 42 car. Wasserman right behind him makes it around that 42 car. And of course, Garrett is also making it around that 42 car. And they're still running around. Sean Brownlee still in that 4th place position. More lap traffic coming up for Grant Reeves. 42 cars putting a little smoke show on. Looks like he needs to probably head out to the pits at some point. There's D3 of Dewayne Davis. The 100 car put on a good show there in the heats. That's Charles Bumgarner. That 10G car coming out of turn 2, looking good on the back stretch. Wasserman coming, trying to catch up again. That lap traffic slowed both Wasserman and Vannoster down. That gave Grant some room to really make some headway, get ahead of the pack here. Trying to secure his lead a little bit. 42 car smoking, heading to the infield. Finally, looks like that 86 car as well of Jonathan Scroggins going to go ahead and park out front for some advertisement. And there's that 10G right there of Grant Reeves.
Reeves coming up on a lot of traffic all at once here. That could be a problem.
A little bit of contact there with the 98 car Reeves has. That's Matt Bales. Here we go. He's coming up on that 2, coming out of 4. Coming down the main stretch here. All lap traffic ahead of him. He's got 3 cars. We got a caution. We got a caution out. Caution out.
Let's see.
Josh, just giving you a heads up. You've lost video. 44 getting straightened out. We got that caution flag out. 44. And we believe that 42 car is going to sit in the infield. There we go. Green flag. Single file start. Here we go. Got a little bit of touch going on with 41 and 5 there with Keith Heaslet and Sean Brownlee. Here we go. They're coming back around. Grant Reeves is still going to lead our pack here. Now the 5G, that's Garrett Vannoster. He's now in the 2nd place position. Wasserman trying to gain that position back, going a little wide on the turn 2, coming out of turn 2 on the back stretch. Still holding a 3rd position. He's one of our leaders. 5 of Keith Heaslet trying to make some room up here. He's coming in. He's still in 4th. Wasserman still makes the pass past him. That's our leaders right now. Sean Brownlee trying to catch up. Dewayne Davis on Brownlee's bumper. Going a little wide into turn 2. They are really looking good out here tonight. We got lap 13, 1 lap to go. There's the white flag. Looks like Grant Reeves is trying to walk away with this one. Coming out of 2, up the back stretch. Sean Brownlee headed to the infield. And here they come. Here's our leaders right here. Checker flags out. That's going to be Grant Reeves. Garrett Vannoster, Kevin Wasserman, and the number 5 of Keith Heaslet. Those are our first 4 finishers. That's going to finish us out for our Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks A feature. We're moving right along, folks.